You gonna hit it? We got riding dirty right here. Oh, whoa.
Don't play around.
Little frog?
A little glass.
A fish? Yeah. Is it a piranha? Yeah. Or is it a shark?
Looking like a piranha.
Oh, okay.
It's a little small to be a shark.
The baby shark.
Them garfish, that's the shark.
Yep. Good gosh.
Oh, that's a badass car. That's a badass car.
I mean, the Honda almost looked like that. It's pretty close. Woo.
That looks pretty soft.
After you. Hard bottom, I like it.
Feeling. When I went around, it wasn't sinking at all.
Yeah. What's up? Oh, let me get out of the way.
Hey, we got a Honda with an engine light on.
Oh, he's got the engine light on again? What's up?
Check it here, Bob.
Let me see, let me check the airbox.
Hey, it's a little different. I know it is. Hold on.
Damn, that thing is disgusting.
Hey, look, Mario. Mario.
What?
Where's water?
Yeah, it said
Check this shit.
yeah, that thing, someone's flooded it before. That's ridiculous.
Woo! I didn't think it was that far at all.
Yeah.
I saw it, I was like, I'm going around. Hey! Got a perk.
Got riding dirty right here.
Hey! Hold on.
Gotta save a life.
Don't play around. A little frog? A little fish? A little fish? What's that? Piranha? Yeah. Is it piranha?
Look like it.
Or is it a shark?
Huh? Look like a piranha. Look
You gonna hit it?
Let's see the Yamaha.
The Yamaha's about to.
That was awesome.
You ain't tried, Carlo?
What's up? Oh no. I won't ever drive it.
Come on, try it.
No sir, no sir. I appreciate it. Y'all ready? Let's go find him. Oh. Oh no, I have no idea what to do with that. So the four-wheel drive light thing's blinking.
Oh shit.
Four-wheel drive lights on?
I think the four-wheel drive light was blinking. Let's see.
Sometimes they need to be reset.
Yeah. But that front wheel drive is not catching.
Yeah, I know. One time it does, one time it don't.
Probably better just leave it in two-wheel drive, huh? What do you think?
Or leave it in all-wheel drive all the time.
Leave it in four-wheel drive all the time?
Yeah, because this is not a differential line.
Yeah.
Feels like the old Honda Ranchers.
Yeah, I don't know. Sound like those damn.
I was there, but
Oh, it was completely filthy. No water though, but it's been flooded out before. I wonder if there's even oil in the damn motor. Hear that knocking?
It is. They showed that they did check that.
You want to check it again?
You can check it again.
May have some type of leakage.
It's right there on the side.
Should be right here. Yeah.
Yeah.
That thing's knocking like it's low on oil. Dirty oil. There you go. This one you just push in, you don't twist it. You don't.
Oh, you don't have to?
Yeah. That's I was doing that for the first little while, and it was.
It's there.
Okay.
Milky.
Just dirty. I mean, it's just
dirty.
yeah, it's just burnt.
Yeah.
It's a rental.
Yeah.
They don't care.
They look at body damage. Really.
Yeah, that's all
they
they
look at. They look at body damage.
Oh, really?
That's all they look at is the bumpers and the body.
You serious?
Yeah, and so they
That's
document everything. They document
Exterior.
that. Yeah, that's all exterior.
Oh, okay.
So they
Well,
look
shit.
at.
Yeah. Well, when you take it back, just leave it in two-wheel drive.
Hey. Turn it on. Yeah, it worked. Mm-hmm.
All right. There you go. Good job, buddy. Yeah. He likes to do his own climbs.
Huh?
He likes to make his own climbs. That's a good one.
Actually, ain't a bad way to go.
No, that's a good way. Oh no! You might have to hop off. We'll both pull. Hop off on that side. I'll get the gas on this side. I got the brake on this side, bud. All right, you ready? You gotta short it. Get the gas. Get that throttle. Oh. Look at that little rancher doing work. Camera's off, by the way. Oh, that's right. You don't need it on right now. You don't need it on. Battery might be dead or something too. Oh, you still got half battery. You're good. Yeah, you can go this way or that way, whichever you prefer. Yeah, just go that way.
You going this way or this way?
You go this way? Okay. You got him, Shorty? All right, so when you do these hills, you want to keep momentum, but don't gun it. Like, so you lift up.
Don't stop, whatever you do.
Oh, hold on.
Go up a little. Go up a little.
You ready, buddy? Oh, the other way.
Yeah. I like that.
Hey, what about me? God dang it. No, I don't want your help anymore. Ungrateful son of a bitch.
It's the big guy.
All right, let's see if we can find the rest of the crew. Did you just pee in your hand? Do you wipe your ass or something?
No.
Okay, just making sure. Just making sure, buddy.
Here's what we should have done all along.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly what I told her.
We were just exploring.
What the hell wasn't asking you?
How did we get out of here? Right there, right?